Selling your course on multiple platforms like Kajabi, PayPal, or Stripe can sound smart for reach. But when payouts don't line up or one account holds funds, it can stop your cash flow cold. Here's a quick way to see how each platform handles your course payments. In Google Sheets, make a list of your platforms, their processors, and payout times. This gives you a clear snapshot of where money is coming in and where delays might happen. But even with that visibility, you're still juggling multiple processors that can freeze or delay funds at any time. That's why many course creators consolidate everything through EasyPay Direct. Instead of relying on separate gateways, their transaction routing feature sends all your payments through one stable merchant account, keeping your payouts consistent no matter where you sell. You also get 250 plus integrations, so whether you are using Kajabi, Teachable, or your own checkout pages, it all connects smoothly. I've linked EasyPay Direct in the description. Check how their unified system helps creators avoid payout delays and keep transactions running around the clock. Stop stressing over mismatched payouts or platform freezes. With EasyPay Direct, your payments stay stable across every channel you sell on. Click the link in the description to get started today.